Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this Olympiad mathematics question. And the question reads, given that p squared plus q squared is equal to 11pq, we are asked to show that half of the log of p plus log of q can either be equal to log of p minus q divided by 3 or log of p plus q divided by root 13. So I'm going to begin with something different because I know if I should square p plus q, I'm going to obtain a term that corresponds to p squared plus q squared. Likewise, if I should square p minus q. All right, let us do them separately. So if I have p minus q all squared, this will give me p squared plus q squared minus 2pq. Likewise, if I should square p plus q to the power of 2, this will give me p squared plus q squared plus 2pq. Can you see that? In both cases, we have p squared plus q squared. But we have it in our original equation as what? 11pq. So let's substitute it. To the left hand side, we have p minus q all squared. This is equal to 11pq minus 2pq, right? P minus q all squared is equal to what? 9pq. Let us take the square root of both sides. To the left hand side, we will be left with p minus q. To the right hand side, we have plus or minus the square root of 9pq. P minus q is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 and square root of pq remain pq, right? I want to take log of both sides, so I want to get rid of the minus sign because you know you cannot take log of negative number. But first of all, let us divide both sides by 3. I have p minus q divided by 3 equal to the square root of what? pq, which is the same thing as pq to the power of 1 divided by 2. By taking log of both sides, I have log of the left hand side, which is p minus q divided by 3. And to the right hand side, I have log of pq to the power of 1 over 2. And from one of the laws of logarithm, we can drop this power down, right? So we have log of p minus q divided by 3 equal to 1 divided by 2 log of p multiplied by log of q, which is from one of the laws of logarithm we can write separately, right? As log of p plus log of q. And hence we are done with the first one because you can see it right here. We have shown that this is equal to this one. What is left for us to show is what? This, the other one. And we can do it from the other equation. From here, we know that this is 11pq according to the question. You can see it right here. So we have p plus q all squared equal to 11pq plus 2pq, which is 13pq, right? P plus q squared is equal to 13pq. Take the square root of both sides. You have p plus q equal to the square root of 13pq. We avoid the negative sign because of the logarithm we are going to take. pq or p plus q is equal to the square root of 13 multiplied by square root of pq is all the same thing because I want to divide both sides by root 13. P plus q divided by root 13 is now equal to what? Square root of pq, which is the same thing as pq to the power of 1 over 2. Now we can take log on both sides. We have log of p plus q divided by root 13. This is equal to half log of what? PQ, from one of the laws of logarithm. And from one of the laws of logarithm, we can rewrite the right hand side. We have log of p plus q divided by root 13 to be equal to half multiplied by log of p plus log of what? Q. And hence we have proven that this is also possible. Look at it here. We have proven that this is equal to this. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.